Hello, I'm Annie Turner, editor of Mobile Europe, European Communications, and I'm delighted to be talking to Peter Hall today. Peter is Managing Sales Director, Network Sales Europe with Intelsat. Welcome, Peter.
Hello.
So I'd like to start with the fact that you recently announced Intelsat Cloud Connect service with Microsoft Azure. Can you tell me a bit about the capabilities and also what kind of customers will this serve?
Sure. Cloud Connect is really about extending the cloud anywhere in a quick, cost-effective, and also importantly, secure way. We're seeing a growing demand from business to reliably access cloud-based applications from anywhere. And Cloud Connect is based on the Microsoft Azure Express Route service, and we're integrating Express Route with our EPIC HTS satellites, the high throughput satellites, and our own Intelsat 1 terrestrial net. The service can provide primary access for users who may have few alternatives, or it could be a secondary or backup access for locations with perhaps poor or unreliable terrestrial or fiber connectivity. An example of this might be a large distributed enterprise business that needs consistent cloud connectivity to every office or machine within its network.
So as you mentioned, this service is intended for those who don't have alternatives such as fibre or other broadband, but actually its spectrum of use is wider than that because it can also be used for backup. Are there any particular industries or sectors for backup, you think?
No, I don't think it's an industry specific, it's more perhaps geographic specific. So there's a variety of industries. You could think from manufacturing to banking. You know, what do we do every day? We now access our email via cloud, and all of these businesses are increasingly turning to cloud applications, and they need reliable connections. So if you have a business of any particular vertical going into more dispersed parts of the world, they tend to rely on less robust terrestrial infrastructure, and it's important that they understand that there is an alternative out there which, one, provides connectivity where it doesn't exist today terrestrially, and if there is terrestrial connectivity, Intelsat now with Cloud Connect can provide them a reliable and importantly secure way of connecting their cloud-based applications.
Okay, thank you. I'd like to move on to SD-WAN, please. So I think it's fair to say that early on, enterprises saw SD-WAN as a way to replace MPLS networks with a less expensive option. And SD-WAN tended to be a kind of do-it-yourself solution. Over time, this seems to have shifted to become more of a managed solution. Is that what you see in the market?
Yeah, I mean, we see a demand from both managed service customers and customers looking to implement their own SD-WAN solutions. For Intelsat, I think this really provides us with a great opportunity to broaden the set of customers that we have perhaps historically worked with. And we're therefore making it easier for enterprises, telcos, and service providers with their own SD-WAN capability to integrate satellite services as a new component of their network. And in 2021, we will have an offering that enables our satellite-focused service providers to offer an Intelsat-hosted SD-WAN service. So we're very much moving in the direction of providing satellite as a service to lowering the technical barrier of entry to these new customers.
Okay, and are you specifically targeting SD-WAN users with those changes you're going to make in 2021?
Well, SD-WAN is certainly one area of the rapidly evolving network business that we're focused on. I think I'd step back and take a wider look, perhaps, in that our objective is to grow broader telecom market confidence into easily adopting satellite services as part of their networks. For example, Intelsat participated at the annual Metro Ethernet Forum and successfully demonstrated SD-WAN services across multiple vendor appliances, management systems, and transport types with our partners. So it's important for us to show customers that what we're offering actually works. And in summary, I think really we're working to make it easier to plug in an Intelsat service just like any other network connection or service.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks very much for your time.